What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. This video is going to piss off a couple of purists, but frankly, I don't give a guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, and if that thumbnail got your attention, you're already typing furiously in the comments, thanks for the view. Please click an ad while you're at it. Today we have a 2020 Ford Raptor that we sent up 4 inches on the Fabtech kit. Let's dive into this kit a little bit. It utilizes a cross-member drop and spacers so it retains the functionality of this crazy Fox factory setup that comes stock on this vehicle. Now here come the wheels that are going to be the source of contention. They are a 24x10, they are the Vossen HF6-4s. All you car guys are going to know the name Vossen, but they also do truck bolt patterns. This colorway is called Terra Bronze. We wrapped these wheels in a 37-1350 Toyo MT. We pulled a little bit more performance out of the motor with the Borla exhaust and the AFE Scorcher tuner. Here is that build sheet. Feel free to copy any of the part numbers that you see here. Hey guys, Brian with SoCo Customs signing off on this dope pavement build. Thumbs up, subscribe, follow, whatever medium you're on, and get you some merch already. It's going fast.